Hello, viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of beautiful X-Mix power and X-Mix decoration. And we added some candles holder, and today we're gonna show you very beautiful designs of candle making and candle after making. So, viewers, let's have a look. Watch till the end. These are very interesting designs, and you can add a candle with the coffee and bowl. So, and you can make with the dye, and you can make with mold very beautiful designs and very different types of designs of candles, and you can add some different types of touch like seashells, colors, and some jute rope, some flowers touch. So very beautiful design is here for you. Candle stand with mason jars are here. If you like that ideas and designs, you can make very easy designs. You can get best ideas from these videos. So these are very different types of candle holder ideas. You can add so simple with the cinnamon sticks and leaves. You can add candles on mason jars and add some leaves, add some cinnamons, dried orange slices, and center of the flower you can put this beautiful candle. And it's a good opportunity to grow your business in this season. You can grow your business because festival is not just about togetherness, happiness. It's also you can grow a business, a small business start. You can get ideas from these videos. So square candles, round circle candle, horizontal, vertical, different types of designs here with add some floral touch, add some rustic touch with jute rope and burlap, and you can add some coffee, and this is a very beautiful cup style candle. If you like the designs, hope you like the idea, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you want to get more designs like this, more ideas like this, you can join us on our channel. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a very nice and beautiful journey.